क्यों न चोर बन चुरा लूं मैं वो सब, नदिया की वो धार जो बहा ले जाती सब अपने ही साथ, क्यों न चोर बन चुरा लूं मैं वो सब,
क्यों न चोर बन चुरा लूं मैं सब। बहुत अच्छी बात है, क्यों न चोर लूं मैं सब।
इसके आगे ऐड हो जाएगा।
हाँ मैं दे रहा हूँ, आप देखो। क्यों न चोर बन चुरा लूं मैं सब। इसके बहुत सारे।
वो तेरे मुखड़े को बना लूं मैं रब, वो तेरे मुखड़े को बना लूं मैं रब, क्यों न चोर बन चुरा लूं मैं सब।
क्या बात है।
वो तेरे मुखड़े को, तेरे मुखड़े को, वो तेरे मुखड़े को, तेरे मुखड़े, तेरे मुखड़े को बना लूं मैं रब।
क्या बात है।
वाह, ये रब जो है ना, वो रब की राइम। वो तेरे मुखड़े को बना लूं मैं रब, वो तेरे मुखड़े को बना लूं मैं रब, क्यों न चोर बन चुरा लूं मैं सब।
क्या बात है।
वो तेरे मुखड़े को, तेरे मुखड़े को, वो तेरे मुखड़े को, तेरे मुखड़े, तेरे मुखड़े को बना लूं मैं रब, क्यों न चोर बन चुरा लूं मैं सब।
क्या बात है।
From the post of principal, but I really wonder why my students have not studied Constitution. So I don't know, I don't have any question for you, but I have a suggestion to make. If anybody can do something about including Constitution as an important part in the syllabus for students.
Thank you, ma'am, for your suggestion. Any other question?
It is when she is ready with a kid and deliver the baby. No caste, no creed, no language, no barrier. Just do that, come back, take bath, and no expectation. And looking at that, taking that cue, my father became a gynecologist, saying that you live in 2-3 continents, okay, 2-3 countries. What is that? You bulldoze and determine. You tell me first. Yes. As a mother, I will tell you.
I kept pushing the nutritionist, Ananya Somani. I kept pushing her till finally the answer came. And more with the women than the men, because they eat later in the family, is that they have dal and chawal. So are you going to get to the Olympics like this? I'm talking about rugby. So that's the reality that you see just across the boundary line, not the lab. Or sports psychology.
Target Olympic Podium Scheme, of course, has a limitation. They say with one athlete we can send one attendant, and I'm in a severe disability. So I did not get an opportunity to get my personal biomechanics trainer there, with whose presence I would have felt very confident. And in
So I want to tell this story. Beautiful recitation, the beautiful, delicacy in your poems. Very nice. Never heard about you, never read you. But then just coming across you is so lovely, I'm telling you. Very nice. Now here, I am a budding poet. After my retirement, I suddenly discovered this, that I want to write, I want to express. So my question to you is, I don't know any rules of poetry writing. Do you think rhyming or something, because there I get stuck. So is it necessary for us to rhyme the last words?
Absolutely not.
What is it like? What is the scale? I don't know anything. Can you write it? Sure. Thank you so much.
I think your question is a question of many people when they start writing poetry. And I think it's a question I faced too. One thing I understood from reading poetry for many, many years is that some of the finest poetry does not rhyme.
Oh, thank you so much for telling this.
Some of the finest poetry does not rhyme, and there are no hard and fast rules, but it has to somehow work. What does work, is sound, cadence, rhythm, meter, because poetry is not prose, but you can even write a prose poem and the images can be very poetic even without meter. So there are forms of poetry that permit even that. So really it's the freedom that is daunting.
Cultural action is when I empower him and he becomes a great citizen of India, like we all have become in our own way. That is what is empowered. Theatre should be taking that as an agenda, and the left particularly should.
Schools like Indian school, where my father was a theatre person, there also theatre is diminishing. So why don't we do something about that? Because these children are only going to grow up and coming onto the streets with it, with the ideas.
So just to set the context of that, in the new educational program, theatre, dance, music is all part of the education program. The problem is that there are not enough theatre teachers, because they thought National School of Drama, by making many of them, will churn out theatres. You can't do that. You can't have 20,000 teachers coming out of the National School of Drama. But let me ask you.
I think in school it's very important to sort of start, with theatre. And in India what I've seen is a lot of the elite schools still sort of pursue it very seriously, when it should be happening all over, in the public schools, in the, the government schools, in the schools in the villages. I think
Jayati Jayama Saraswati Jayati Veena Vadini Ho Jayati Jayama.
He took it as an affront, or I don't know, but he said, "How dare you ask for a lap?" He said, "I'll throw you out of the industry."
And how you actually choose to manifest that way is not prescribed. There are multiple choices, multiple beliefs, multiple ways of worship, multiple deities you can imagine to focus your worship on. It's a religion that is all-encompassing, that does not claim to be the only true religion in the world, that accepts all other paths and all other forms of worship as valid, and that at the same time is full of questioning and incertitude. It in many ways is a religion for the thinking, doubting skeptic of the 21st century, anchored in a particular set of political beliefs and policies. It has nothing to do with the Hindu philosophy that I've read, studied and described to all of you. So read my book and figure out. Now, you can argue back and forth, and so there are certainly others who do, and I've had some interesting debates.
Stories and to connect some concepts of the Indian wisdom with modernity. And actually, nobody told us how we had to talk about that. With the role of the teacher of a foreign language. And then something happened that I changed, and then my ikigai changed, and I had to rediscover again who I...
A little bit now. So just bringing all of that in Africa into the room today, and saying that if we want that child to be happy, have that secure, well-nurtured childhood, then we as adults are very responsible. So I would say, let's also, sharing is a great way. Let's share books. Let's have fun books with the study books, because it's not that read meaning pado.
To lead the world stage, offering solutions, forging alliances, and building a lasting legacy that reflected the aspirations of both the developed and the developing world.
This was the post-COVID era. Vast segment of population across the world had fallen below the poverty line. Large number of people had lost their jobs.
And he has no idea. And this harem becomes like a place of sisterhood and community, where they're helping people to fight this evil dictator.
But these are also spaces, and
Myself, Seema Sharma. Yes, I have been a teacher and a retired principal. Why I am using the word retired with an emphasis? Because post-retirement I have come into writing skills, and I never knew that I could write a poem, I could write an article, or I could write a description of all my journey and all. My question to you is, if I want to switch over
to story writing, then how to go about it?
The last session of Jaipur Festival is where I take my lead from the festival. Thank you all, and
मैं सुबह उठ के चला जाऊँ, इसलिए शायद मैं 10 बजे सो जाता हूँ, इसलिए शायद मैं सिंगल भी हूँ, क्योंकि वो जैसे बोरिंग आदमी के साथ कौन रहना चाहेगा जो 9:30 बजे सोने के लिए चला जाता है, और ऐसा करना है। और अगर आप जिंदा है तो मैं जिंदा हूँ, ये बहुत छोटी बात है, सिंपल बात। और तो मैं उस पर ना वही चीज़ बार बार बोल के मैं अपना भी टाइम और दूसरों का भी टाइम वेस्ट नहीं करना चाहता, बिकॉज हम सबको पता है, हम सबके अपने, अब तो एल्गोरिथम ने इतना खराब कर दिया है कि हमारी अगर हमें गलत धारणा बना लें तो गलत धारणा के हम पिनेकल पे पहुंच जाएंगे। हम एक समय मेरा ईश्वर, क्योंकि मेरे को सब चीज़ कहानियाँ लगती है, तो रस्कोलनिकोव एक समय गॉड था मेरा, इस समय एलिना फेरेंटे मेरी गॉड है, कार्ल ओवर किनोस्कर जो है मेरे को एक अलग प्लैनेट का एक बहुत ही सुंदर भगवान लगता है जो कहानियाँ कहता है। तो मुझे लगता है रिलीजन जो है, रिलीजन इज अमेजिंग एज लॉन्ग एज इट स्टेज, आपसे आपका संबंध अच्छा रखे। और मतलब एथिज्म इज, मतलब मैं एथिस्ट बोलता हूँ तो आई एम अ निहिलिस्ट, बट वो निहिलिस्ट थोड़ा एक कदम आगे चला जाएगा और मुझे
My children wouldn't be here. My entire family would have ended.
You took your children to the bug, didn't you? Tell us about that.
So that was one of the most emotionally difficult things I've ever had to do, because they were little. You know my boys really well. We sort of intertwined with each other's families.
About 60% of their diet is made up of ultra-processed food at the moment. So there's a sort of growing body of opinion that says that ultra-processed food may be the next.
Myself, Seema Sharma, a teacher and a retired principal of one of the schools from Jaipur. And you are talking about cooking of food. I'm actually a postgraduate in home science. So I had started in class 8, compulsory cooking class for students. And it worked out very well. So I don't know if you could do something about this, including in the syllabus of the students, as to students when they come in one particular class, they should start cooking, learning in the school itself. Why not?
No, it's funny you said that. All right. Alexander, in 1994, she set up a thing called the Kitchen Garden Scheme, and the aim was to put into about 1,000 schools.
Here also in India, what Mrs. Sharma is saying, it's a model that was taken by the English education. At the beginning of the English education, we do have 15-year-old girls being trained into cooking, and that is how they had learned to make their first cup of Darjeeling tea or an omelette or to toast bread, food that was being introduced. The only thing I have a bit of a reservation here, it was also about grooming. I want students to learn cooking for the joy of it and not as a part of their grooming.
Also, who has a question and who has a mic? Okay, how are we getting mics to people? Okay, so maybe to that gentleman there.
अभी राजस्थान बस अभी 3 सालों से ही रह रही हूँ। मैं अपनी टीनेज में और उसके बाद शादी के बाद मैं यहाँ से चली गई थी। मेरे पति वायु सेना अधिकारी हैं, तो दरअसल एक नॉस्टैल्जिया की तरह राजस्थान मेरी हमेशा कहानियों में रहा। तो दूर जाकर भी जिसकी चमक फीकी ना पड़े।
Experience, and it was consciously done because I wanted to break away from the reportage or the heavier military history books that are written and make the reader feel immersed in those battle scenes. I want war. And despite being embedded in counterinsurgency and in Kargil with the troops, I was not like the American embedded war correspondents. I retained
and highly activated leader of the Indian South African community. And in that year, 1909,
work, he translated and synthesized the gospel into something that he would call the gospel in brief.
रांझा इसलिए गाते हैं कि रांझा जिस परिवार में से जिस कबीले की सेवा करता है, वो कबीला के पास में भैंस पालन का काम